Yeah, I know. I think I will.
We're stuck.
Just our water. So I hope I don't fall.
Yeah! We could just let it stick around and everyone could just walk across it. Under your feet! That's so funny. We only spent like an hour trying to cross this 3-inch water and the guy just runs through it.